Before we get into the video, check the description and join our daily giveaways. Universe price prediction. Are you looking for a Cosmos cost assumption for 2022, 2025, and 2030? Then you are at the ideal area. We will share likely the most expecting questions that genuinely need thought and definite reactions. There is an undeniable brand name to each crypto project that makes it stand separated from the gathering. Computerized types of cash were made as a protected association that develops the continuous record-sharing advancement. Lately, monetary patrons have become logically interested by the crypto space as a result of its quick expense addition and need to know the reactions of these routinely gotten explanation on major problems. Is Cosmos, Atom, shrewd hypothesis? How much will Cosmos be worth in 2025, or how much will Cosmos be worth in 10 years? This video gives information on the basics and Atom cost guess improvements on the front with respect to this. Could we get everything moving? Universe at present stands at $9.10 United States dollars, with a market capitalization of $2,604,765,560, making it ranked 26 on the main coins list. Has a 24-hour volume of $533,006,550, according to TechNews Leader Price Index. The worth of Cosmos has changed by 1.85% in the beyond 24 hours. In the latest 7 days, the expense of Atom has a distinction of 20.63%. It is confined to the best load of 286,370,297 coins. Universe past price analysis. According to the latest data amassed, the continuous expense of Cosmos is $9.12, and Atom is correct now situated number in the entire crypto climate. The core supply of Cosmos is 286,370,297, with a market cap of $2,612,177,151. With a development in its trading volume and market cap, Cosmos's expense has shown a good addition of 2.96% at this point. From the latest 7 days, the Atom was in an extraordinary vertical example and extended by 21.24%. Universe has shown solid areas outstandingly as of late, and this could be fair an entryway to make a plunge and contribute. Inside the latest month, the expense of Atom lessened by 71.968%, clearing out an inconceivable ordinary measure of $23.42 from its continuous worth. This unforeseen down suggests that the coin is in a dive right now, inferring that it will in general be a fair buy and an entryway for the quick endeavor. The 90 days cost change is close 65.68%, and the expense moved from a base ordinary expense of $26.16 to the best typical expense of $29.71 in the past 90 days. The universe is someplace close 62.46%, with the most outrageous average expense of the coin being around $27.64, and the base run-of-the-mill worth of around $24.73 in past 4 months. Universe, Atom, price prediction forecast for 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025 and 2030. We expect future Cosmos cost assumptions Atom gauges by applying significant man-made mental ability, help specific analysis of the past worth data of Cosmos. We give a fearless work to assemble the most outrageous evident data for the Atom coin, which integrates various limits like past worth, Cosmos market cap, Cosmos volume, and scarcely any longer. If you are wanting to place assets into cutting-edge computerized monetary forms and need extraordinary benefit from your hypotheses, attempt to examine our assumptions. Universe price prediction 2022. Flightiness drives the cryptographic currency market. Today, it is easy to sort out and remain mindful of the continuous esteeming. Various crypto specialists become perhaps the main calculate such a way. The esteeming guesses are ideal for the referred to years. Crypto clients are at this point stressed over the crypto blacklists and new impediments. Universe cost could check $16.02 if the market sees a fair bull run in 2022. Taking into account that it is ordinary to be held by long-stretch monetary sponsor, its normal expense for 2022 will be around $14.01. Universe price prediction 2023. A predictable method for managing this money may be found on various locales and social occasions. As per this assumption stage, Cosmos will steady at its continuous expense from this point until quite a while to come. By 2023, the atom should justify a generally outrageous worth of $23.64. The base expense can go up to $20.19 accepting the market gets bullish. Universe price prediction 2024. The particle will be seen as a prevalent decision, and with the enormous neighborhood, cost will contact new highs. The worth differences are hard to anticipate, especially expecting the market is more bullish or negative than some other time. For the year 2024, the expense of Cosmos will be almost $29.91. The most outrageous worth that we can get is $35.64. Universe's ordinary quote close to the completion of 2024 can be around $30.75. A tremendous worth turnover is ordinary inside the span portrayed by the crypto market. Universe price prediction 2025. Obviously, by 2025, Cosmos, Atom, costs will have shown up at a level like their previous all-time high. By 2025, we could expect a commonplace expense of $44.67. On account of everything doing according to plan, we expected the best expense of Cosmos could truly rely upon $52.83 in 2025. Clearly, there are chances that the market will dump after a long bull run, and it is normal for the computerized cash market. Universe price predictio in 2026. There are signs that the crypto market will enter another age. Sure that the really long expense assumption at Atom's expense will take off since there is still certainty that the money will attract essentially more thought. The year 2026 can end with a normal expense of $64.28 and a base worth $62.04. The most outrageous expense should trade around $75.25. Universe price prediction 2027. Universe present worth reach could interest various sellers and thusly, Atom can reach $105.87 by 2027 with huge cooperation with financial establishments if the going with necessities are fulfilled.